I am Anna Mendoka. I am an account executive at Nicol Insurance, and I work out of the Mississauga branch. I have been in the business for 34 years and with Nicol Insurance for 13 years. I enjoy working in our community, in small communities. It makes it very personable. Nicol Insurance is a family-run business that makes us feel as part of their family. They treat us very well. They respect us. In my situation, Tim helped me, pushed me through a very difficult stage in my life that made me succeed. And that I'm very grateful for, is that he kept on pushing when I was just about to go. Just the fact that they treat their employees fairly makes it a great place to work. I was born and raised in Toronto. I am now living in Mississauga with the rest of my family members. My favorite part about living in Mississauga is the fact that I'm close to our Portuguese community. The majority of our Portuguese community is located in the GTA. So in my 30 plus years of selling insurance, I worked at different agencies, one in the city and two in a smaller community. The smaller community, it just makes it a little more personable. It makes our clients, that's not what I want to say. We blend in with the community and we build relationships. Versus when you are dealing in a larger scale, people just tend to become numbers. And I feel that at Nicol Insurance, we have great relationships with our clients. The part of my job that I like the most is hearing the joy in the client's voice. When I inform them of something they didn't know, I educate them. They feel very appreciative. So the fact that I'm able to help them understand insurance, for me, is very satisfying. And also, when they're experiencing a claim, the fact that you guide them through the claim and help them, because that is one of the most difficult times. And when you need insurance the most is when you're dealing with the claim. So the fact that I'm there to guide them through and assist them, and makes this job even better. The fact that one thing I really wanted to get across to them is the fact that I speak Portuguese. I understand their needs. They need to understand their policy. So I feel that from experience, like in the last few years selling so much to these Portuguese people, is they don't have a clue what they're buying, what they're paying for, what their policy consists of. So it's the fact that once I explain, they're like, oh my God, I didn't even know this. I didn't even know I had this, or I really don't need this. So the fact that I speak the language and I'm able to explain to them is fantastic. So I think that would be very helpful for them to know that I speak their language and I'm here to explain step by step what their policy consists of. Nicol Insurance puts a personal touch in insurance, building relationships, having us be part of the communities, being there for our clients, and protecting their lifestyle. I feel it's very important to reach out to our clients on a regular basis. Just follow up with them, check on them, number one, and just also review their policy and their coverages. I had an incident that a gentleman had changed his career, and I upgraded his accident benefits coverage. And unfortunately, within that year, he needed to use them, and he was very, very happy that I was able to provide him better coverage that he really needed. A good insurance policy starts with conversation. You need to not only sell a product, but actually converse with our clients, see what their needs are, what their assets are, and what is important to them. Even though insurance is mandatory, however, the limits of insurance are still up to the client. So we, as advisors, should be giving them proper advice on what we feel that they need to protect them. The most rewarding part of my job is going home knowing that I've helped someone understand a little bit more about insurance. I've always used the same quote. I don't know if it's insurance related, but it's a life related thing, is treat others the way you want to be treated. For me, that goes very far in the sense of not only your personal life, but also in business. Be patient. Are not educated in insurance. We are. Be patient and show a little bit of respect. Just because they're not knowledgeable in insurance doesn't make them any less than us. So we are here to help them with that. And also the fact that you want to be treated fairly or nicely, you have to deliver the same. When looking for an insurance policy, I feel that it is important that you actually seek an insurance broker. An insurance broker is an individual that actually will work on your behalf. Yes, they will be shopping. There's a lot of different markets they could shop around. However, it's not just about the price. It's also about what your needs are. Insurance brokers are here to protect you, and they will give you the best advice when it comes to insurance and your needs.